Effects of change of pressure on matter. We know that water exists in three different states, namely solid, liquid and gas, which are otherwise known as ice, water and vapor. Top of high mountains and Arctic and Antarctic oceans have water in the form of ice, that is, snow. Oceans, rivers and lakes have water in the liquid form. The vapor form of water is present in the atmosphere. Steam is observed when water is boiled. We also make ice using the special section given in the refrigerators called freezer. It is important to note that the three states of water are interchangeable. When water is boiled, steam is observed. On the other hand, when steam, that is gas, is cooled, water, that is liquid, is obtained. On heating, ice, that is solid, changes into water, that is liquid. If water, that is liquid, is cooled below 0 degrees centigrade, we get ice, that is solid. Similarly, solid carbon dioxide converts directly into gaseous state when the pressure is decreased to 1 atmosphere. Due to this reason, solid carbon dioxide is also known as dry ice. Thus, we can say that pressure and temperature determine the state of a substance, whether it will be solid, liquid or gas. Here, let us perform an activity to know the effect of wind speed on evaporation. Take a small amount of spirit in a cup. Pour a few drops on your palm. Observe the changes. Once again, take a few drops of spirit, say 1 ml, and pour the drops into 2 petri dishes individually. Generally, the petri dishes are shallow glass or plastic cylindrical lidded dishes used in the laboratory. Place both the dishes under a ceiling fan and switch it on. Close the lid of one dish. After 5 minutes, check the quantity of spirit in both the dishes. In this activity, we observe that the spirit disappears in the dish kept under the ceiling fan. At the same time, some quantity of spirit can be found in the dish which is closed. Finally, we learned that evaporation is a surface phenomena. During evaporation process, the particles escape from the surface of liquid. The increase in the surface area provides more scope for particles to escape from the surface, and this increases the rate of evaporation. The phenomena of change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Humidity is another factor that affects evaporation. The amount of water present in air is called humidity. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor at a given temperature. If the amount of water vapor is high in air, the rate of evaporation will decrease. So clothes dry slowly during rainy season but fast on a sunny and windy day. Because of increase in wind speed, water vapor particles move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surroundings. When we work, the body produces heat. This increases the temperature of the skin. As a result, water presents in the sweat glands. The particles of liquid absorbs energy required for evaporation from our body and escape to the surroundings. This makes us to feel cool.
Keywords: List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of the
but do not have a definite shape. Gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. The force of attraction between the particles is maximum in solids, intermediate in liquids, and minimum in gases. The particles are arranged. The phenomena of change of a liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Humidity is another factor that affects evaporation. The amount of water present in air is called humidity.
Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click Answer for your reference.
Follow-up work. Prepare a model to demonstrate movement of particles in solids, liquids and gases. Suggest an activity which provides the evidence for the motion of particles, attraction between particles and interparticle space.
Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test.
You have successfully completed the chapter Matter in Our Surroundings.
See you there.